Hey everybody, what's up? Hi, I'm Romani and welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel where I talk about all things photo shoots and fashion photography, like the only two things that I care about. Well, I care about like this guy. This is Iggy, by the way. Anyway, see, I'm already sidetracked. How am I gonna do this? Today's video is about pushing yourself as a photographer. Making yourself better is always a freaking good idea, okay? Because we ain't like these normies, right? No, we ain't like these normies. Pro tip number 1. So, how do you push yourself? What you want to do is put yourself in situations where your creativity is really tested. It keeps your mind and your eye like sharp, okay? Sharp enough to cut a man, all right? We don't really want to cut men, but you know, we might. Hey, anyway, I'm a planner, okay? Is my dog throwing up in my lap? Oh my gosh, what's wrong with you? For photo shoots, I really try to plan every last detail. Where am I gonna shoot? Who am I shooting? Whose makeup? Whose hair? What outfits? You know, what shots? Like down to the freaking shots that I want. I try to plan, which is cool, and it's like really great to be prepared. But you're an artist. You create. It's not creative if you have everything like rock solid, written in stone. Excuse you. I'm sorry. You have to really implement some spontaneity into your photo shoots, because that's honestly where you really get the best stuff, the stuff that's unplanned. I really don't know anything about what I'm getting myself into today. I know who my model is, and that's it. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what we're going to wear. I do know that we're going to H&M to find some looks. So yeah, wish me luck.